What's up guys, in this video I'll show you how you can remove green screen in CapCut. So normally what I would do, I would first import the video that I want to add a green screen onto. So all you need to do right now is go ahead and open your CapCut and then click new project, and then I'll first add the video onto which I want to add the green screen. So this is the video right here, as you can see. So I would love to add my green screen onto this video, and then I remove the green screen. So once I'm here, I'll go ahead and click on overlay, and then click on add overlay, and then I'll choose that video with the green screen. It's right there, and then I'll click on add. I'll go ahead and adjust the volume a little bit, and then that's the video. So once you have your video ready, so you'll go ahead and click on that video, select on the video onto which you want to remove the green screen. So once you select the video, go ahead and look for cut out right there, and then click on chroma key. Once you click on chroma key, go ahead and move this color picker right here into an area that is entirely green. So that's the area that I will choose right there. So once you choose the area that is entirely green, then move on to intensity and adjust the intensity until all the green disappears. So usually I go until 100, and then normally you have the option to adjust the shadows, but I'll go ahead and leave that right there. And then once I'm done, I click OK, and then I'll play the video. It looks good. However, I would love to adjust the position of this video. So all you need to do is to go ahead and use your two fingers and then adjust it, and then move it with one finger right there into an appropriate position. And once you're good, you can play it back. There you go. I'll go back a little bit and then play it. There you go. So this is how easy it is to remove a green screen in CapCut. Alright guys, if you learned something out of this video, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and also subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Otherwise, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.